In the vast and mysterious expanse of the natural world, there exists a creature so revered, yet so feared, that its very presence has captivated human imagination for centuries. With eyes that seem to pierce through the darkness, and a howl that can send shivers down the spine, the wolf has emerged as one of the most fascinating, and often misunderstood, animals on the planet. From the frozen tundras of the Arctic to the lush forests of North America, the wolf has roamed the earth, its packs thriving in almost every conceivable environment, a testament to its adaptability, intelligence, and resilience. But the story of the wolf is not just about its survival, it's about the intricate dance between humans and wolves, a dance that has been marked by conflict, coexistence, and a deep-seated fascination. As we delve into the world of the wolf, we find ourselves transported to a time when humans and wolves first crossed paths. The historical context of this encounter is crucial in understanding the complex dynamics that have shaped the relationship between our species. It's estimated that wolves and humans first interacted around 15,000 to 30,000 years ago, during the late Pleistocene era. At that time, early humans were still in the process of migrating out of Africa and spreading across the globe, and it was during this period that they first encountered the gray wolf, the most widely distributed wolf species. These early encounters likely took place in the northern hemisphere, where wolves were abundant and played a crucial role in shaping the ecosystem. The earliest evidence of human-wolf interaction comes from fossil records and archaeological findings, which suggest that early humans may have competed with wolves for food and resources. However, it's also believed that early humans may have learned valuable lessons from wolves, such as hunting strategies and social behavior. In many ancient cultures, wolves were revered as sacred animals, associated with gods and goddesses, and often featured in mythology and folklore. The ancient Greeks, for example, associated wolves with the god Apollo, while in Norse mythology, the wolf was linked to the god Odin. This reverence for wolves is a testament to the deep respect and admiration that early humans had for these majestic creatures. As human societies began to develop and expand, the relationship between humans and wolves underwent a significant shift. With the advent of agriculture and the rise of settled communities, humans began to encroach upon wolf habitats, leading to increased competition for resources and a growing perception of wolves as threats to human livelihoods. In many parts of the world, wolves were hunted and persecuted, often to the brink of extinction. The development of firearms and other hunting technologies further exacerbated this trend, allowing humans to pursue and kill wolves with greater ease. By the mid-20th century, wolf populations had declined dramatically, and many species were on the verge of disappearing altogether. Despite this bleak picture, there were also efforts to conserve and protect wolf populations. In the United States, for example, the establishment of national parks and wildlife reserves provided a safe haven for wolves to thrive. The introduction of endangered species legislation, such as the Endangered Species Act of 1973, also helped to safeguard wolf populations and regulate human-wolf interactions. However, these conservation efforts were often met with resistance from rural communities and livestock owners, who saw wolves as a threat to their livelihoods. This conflict between human and wolf interests has continued to shape the narrative around wolf conservation, with many arguing that wolves are essential to maintaining healthy ecosystems, while others view them as pests that need to be controlled. One of the most significant factors in shaping our understanding of wolves is the work of scientists and researchers who have dedicated their lives to studying these animals. Through extensive field observations, experiments, and data analysis, scientists have been able to gain a deeper insight into wolf behavior, social dynamics, and ecology. We now know that wolves are highly social creatures, living in complex family structures with dominant males and females, and that they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. We also know that wolves are incredibly adaptable, able to survive in a wide range of habitats, from the Arctic tundra to the deserts of the southwestern United States. However, despite this growing body of knowledge, many myths and misconceptions about wolves persist. For example, the notion that wolves are mindless killers, driven solely by a desire to hunt and destroy, is a stereotype that has been perpetuated by popular culture and folklore. In reality, wolves are highly intelligent and resourceful animals, capable of complex problem-solving and communication. They are also fiercely loyal and protective of their pack members, and will go to great lengths to defend their families and territories. By dispelling these myths and misconceptions, we can work towards a more nuanced and accurate understanding of wolves, and the important role they play in the natural world. As we continue to explore the world of the wolf, we find ourselves drawn into a complex and often contradictory landscape. On the one hand, we have the image of the wolf as a majestic and awe-inspiring creature, a symbol of wildness and freedom. On the other hand, we have the reality of human-wolf conflict, with wolves being hunted, persecuted, and forced to adapt to a rapidly changing environment. This tension between our admiration for wolves and our fear of their power is a theme that has been played out throughout history, and one that continues to shape our relationship with these animals today. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the importance of wolves in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Through a process known as trophic cascades, wolves have been shown to have a positive impact on the environment, preying on herbivores and maintaining the balance of vegetation and wildlife populations. This has led to a greater appreciation for the role of wolves as apex predators, and a growing effort to conserve and protect wolf populations. However, this effort is not without its challenges, as many rural communities and livestock owners continue to view wolves as a threat to their livelihoods. As we move forward in our exploration of the wolf, we are confronted with a series of questions and uncertainties. What is the future of wolf conservation, and how can we balance the needs of humans and wolves in a rapidly changing world? How can we overcome the deep-seated fears and misconceptions that have shaped our relationship with wolves, and work towards a more nuanced and accurate understanding of these animals? And what can we learn from the wolf, about resilience, adaptability, and the importance of preserving the natural world? As we ponder these questions, we are drawn to a fascinating and little-known chapter in the history of human-wolf relations. In the wilds of Yellowstone National Park, a remarkable experiment is underway, one that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of wolves and their role in shaping the natural world. It's a story of science, discovery, and the unbridled power of nature, and it's a story that will challenge everything we thought we knew about the wolf. As we prepare to embark on this journey, we are left with a haunting question: what secrets lie hidden in the heart of the wolf, waiting to be uncovered? And as we venture deeper into the world of the wolf, we begin to realize that the truth is far more complex, and far more fascinating, than we ever could have imagined. The journey is about to take a dramatic turn, as we are about to uncover a shocking discovery that will change the course of our understanding of the wolf forever, but for now, the mystery remains, and the wolves continue to howl, their haunting cries echoing through the night, a reminder of the wild and unpredictable power that lies just beyond the edge of our everyday world. As we left off in our journey through the realm of wolves, we had explored the fascinating world of these majestic creatures, from their evolution and behavior to their habitats and social structures. We had delved into the intricate dynamics of wolf packs, the importance of alpha pairs, and the remarkable adaptations that have enabled wolves to thrive in a wide range of environments. Now, as we enter the final chapter of our wolf documentary, we will venture into the uncharted territories of wolf conservation, the impact of human activities on wolf populations, and the remarkable stories of wolf recovery and resilience. In the latter half of the 20th century, as the world began to awaken to the plight of wolves, conservation efforts started to gain momentum. The passage of landmark legislation, such as the Endangered Species Act in the United States, marked a significant turning point in the history of wolf conservation. This act, signed into law by President Richard Nixon in 1973, provided a framework for protecting and recovering threatened and endangered species, including the gray wolf. The Act's provisions, which included the prohibition of hunting, poisoning, and other forms of persecution, helped to stabilize wolf populations and pave the way for the reintroduction of wolves to areas where they had been extirpated. One of the most notable examples of wolf conservation is the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park in the 1990s. After being absent from the park for over 70 years, a total of 31 wolves from Montana and Alberta were released into Yellowstone between 1995 and 1997. The reintroduction was a groundbreaking experiment, designed to test the feasibility of re-establishing a wolf population in a national park. The results were nothing short of remarkable. The Yellowstone wolf population thrived, growing from 31 individuals to over 100 wolves within a decade. The presence of wolves had a profound impact on the park's ecosystem, with cascading effects on prey populations, vegetation, and other predators. However, the success of wolf conservation efforts has not been without its challenges. As wolf populations began to recover, conflicts with human activities, such as livestock grazing and hunting, began to emerge. In many areas, wolves were seen as a threat to agricultural interests, and efforts were made to control or eliminate wolf populations. The use of lethal control methods, such as trapping and poisoning, has been a contentious issue, with many arguing that such methods are inhumane and ineffective in the long term. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the need for more nuanced and sustainable approaches to wolf management, which balance the needs of humans and wolves. Despite these challenges, the legacy of wolf conservation efforts is a testament to the power of human determination and the importance of preserving biodiversity. The recovery of wolf populations has had a profound impact on ecosystems, with wolves playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. The presence of wolves has been shown to have a positive impact on prey populations, such as deer and elk, by regulating their numbers and maintaining the health of the herd. This, in turn, has had a cascading effect on vegetation, with the reduction of overgrazing allowing native plant species to recover. As we look to the future, it is clear that the story of wolves is far from over. In many parts of the world, wolf populations continue to face threats from human activities, such as habitat fragmentation, hunting, and poaching. Climate change, too, poses a significant threat to wolf populations, as changing weather patterns and shifting prey distributions alter the delicate balance of ecosystems. However, there are also many reasons to be optimistic. Advances in technology, such as camera traps and GPS tracking, have revolutionized our ability to study and monitor wolf populations. The growth of citizen science initiatives and community-based conservation programs has also helped to engage local communities in wolf conservation efforts. One of the most remarkable stories of wolf recovery is that of the Mexican gray wolf. Once on the brink of extinction, with only a handful of individuals remaining in the wild, the Mexican gray wolf has made a remarkable comeback. Thanks to a captive breeding program and reintroduction efforts, there are now over 100 Mexican gray wolves roaming the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. This recovery is a testament to the power of collaborative conservation efforts, which have brought together government agencies, non-profit organizations, and local communities to protect and preserve this iconic species. As we conclude our journey through the world of wolves, it is clear that these animals have left an indelible mark on human history and culture. From the ancient myths and legends of the wolf's power and cunning to the modern-day conservation efforts, wolves have captivated our imagination and inspired our actions. The wolf's ability to thrive in a wide range of environments, from the frozen tundras of the Arctic to the scorching deserts of the Southwest, is a testament to their remarkable adaptability and resilience. As we reflect on the legacy of wolves, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our natural heritage. The story of wolves is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the need to protect and preserve the delicate balance of ecosystems. As we move forward in an increasingly complex and rapidly changing world, it is more important than ever that we prioritize conservation efforts and work to protect the world's most vulnerable species. In the end, the story of wolves is a story about us, about our relationship with the natural world and our place within it. It is a story about the power of human compassion, determination, and ingenuity in the face of adversity. As we close this chapter on the wolf documentary, we are reminded of the profound impact that wolves have had on human history and culture. From the ancient myths and legends to the modern-day conservation efforts, wolves have left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. As we invite you to join us on future journeys through the natural world, we hope that you will carry the story of wolves with you. We hope that you will be inspired by their resilience, their adaptability, and their beauty. And we hope that you will join us in our mission to protect and preserve the world's most incredible creatures. If you have enjoyed this documentary, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content about the natural world. By subscribing, you will be supporting our efforts to produce high-quality documentaries that inspire, educate, and captivate audiences around the world. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can ensure that the story of wolves continues to thrive, inspiring future generations to protect and preserve the natural world. So, join us on this journey, and let us embark on a new chapter in the story of wolves, a chapter that is yet to be written, but one that holds great promise and great hope for the future of our planet. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more incredible stories with you in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wildlife documentaries, and we will see you in the next video.